Tinawag ko po sila, pero wala pong tumitingin sa akin, no? Wala pong nagtataas ng kamay. Alright. Sino kaya ang pwedeng makausap dito? Ay, may campaign truck pa to, grabe! Palapakalurin natin ang campaign truck, hindi na pala isang table. Eto pa, full force. There you go.
It's going above and beyond by giving excellent customer service.
Wow! Yun yung vision. Tama? Sabi niya, ewan ko, basta sinabi lang sa akin. Hi, that's your mission. But what's your vision? What is your ultimate destination?
To be the top real estate marketing company.
To be the top real estate marketing company. Very good. Very good sa'yo. At syempre, very good din sa the person who's dictating everything to you. Right. Alright, you know your company. Alright. Do you guys get what I mean? Because if you don't know your company's vision, mission, and values, kahit na ano man ang gagawin mo kapag hindi in sync or aligned with what the company wants to happen, parang wala lang eh. Parang pumapasok ka lang sa trabaho everyday just to do your job, get paid, put food on the table, go back to work, do your job, get paid, put food on the table. Do you guys get my point? Alright. And apart from that, kailangan din ay meron ka competence. Alam mo, let me enumerate very briefly kung ano ang mga competencies na kailangan mo para ka maging isang magaling na customer service representative over the phone. Whatever you do, front desk, telephone operator, call center agent, or simply someone who uses the phone on a daily basis. Alright, number 1, typing. Alam mo, nakakatulong, no? I'm not gonna require everyone to be a touch typist. Alam niyo ba yung touch typist? Who among you here knows kung ano yung touch typist? Touch typists are those skilled typists who don't need to look at the keyboard when they type. Yun. Yan yung mga, alam mo kapag touch typist ang isang tao, kapag habang nagtatype, nakatingin sa'yo. I what? Ha? Oh, I will type my name, Myron. M-Y-R-O-N. Did you see it? No, I'm not looking, right? There. Hindi po, actually, hindi ako nagpapatawa. Joke lang. Typing. Pero okay lang kahit ikaw pa yung tuldok system. Sino yung mga tuldok system? Huwag kayong mahiya. Tuldok system. In English, that is called the hunt and peck method. Hunt. Hunt kasi hinahanap. B. Okay, B. Why? There. Then after 1 year, yan. Okay lang po kahit kayo ay tuldok system or hunt and peck method. Basta mabilis, makakatulong yan. Next, kailangan meron kang tools. Alright, when we say tools, you can take it both literally and what? Not literally. When I say tools, yun yung mga equipment, machine, device, software, hardware na ginagamit nyo sa trabaho nyo. Pero yung isa pang tools, yung madalas natin gamitin pagdating sa competencies natin. Kailangan daw marami tayong alam na tools. Kaya maglala, in this training, kahit 4 hours na tayo, I will tool you. Next, tricks. In other words, kailangan daw meron tayong, in Tagalog, ang tawag natin dito, nagsisimula to sa letter D. Discard. Social. Talagang soft R, no? Discarte sila. Discard game po. Alright. Well, if you guys have the slang, I have the slang as well. Yeah, so I was born and raised in the States. In the States of Calamity, over there in Pairizan. Alright, what state of calamity were you born in? Alright, next! And of course, the content of it all. Whatever you do, whatever your tricks are, whatever tools you possess, whatever your style of typing is, if you're not good at talking, conversing with people over the phone, parang wala din. So yung mga competence na kailangan natin. Next, syempre, character. Do you guys believe that attitude is everything? Marami dyan na magagaling, maaalam, pero bakit before the end calls, nakakaaway kagad nila ang customer? Bakit? Walang attitude. Bakit kaya Hindi pa galit si customer, nauuna silang magalit. Mahinaw si customer. Siya naman, ma'am, nagagalit na ako, no? Huwag na kayo tatawag, no? Bakit kaya? Attitude is everything. O kaya, we signed up for this job, tama o mali? Diba? We signed up for the job of taking calls, making outgoing calls, talking to customers or clients over the phone. Pero parang hindi natin feel yung trabaho natin. So are you really in the right job? Because attitude is everything. So what do you need to have when it comes to character? Number 1. Pwede bang pakibasa? Yes. I would love the content to come from you guys. Para may approval from you, no? Yes, you need to have sincere concern. Alam mo, mahirap makipagplastikan over the phone. Tama ba mali? Yes, kapag wala kang sincere concern, alam nyo, to be honest with you, we still appreciate you for coming over here. But if you're just gonna use your common sense, there's no strict or difficult science behind customer service. You really just have to have sincere concern. Ano pa? Meron din tayong tinatawag na sincere humility. Alam mo, sa customer service, mahirap din ang trabaho ito eh. Kasi nasusukat or napupututest ang ating humility, ang ating patience. And last but not least, attitude is really everything. Sincere patience. Diba? Alam mo na matanda ang kausap mo. Tapos, umiinit ka agad ang ulo mo. Alam mo na mabagal kumilos on the other end of the line ng customer mo. Umiinit ka agad ang ulo mo. Alam mo na may hard vowel movement ang kausap mo sa telepono. Intindihin mo na lang. Alam mo ba yung hard vowel movement? Alam nyo, no offense, and this is not even a joke. I just want to explain myself. Baka may matamaan dito. Hard vowel movement, yung ating mga E, nagiging E, yung ating mga O, nagiging U, and then vice versa. Hard vowel movement, hindi nila na-gets. Vowel, you know, A, E, I, O, U. Hard vowel movement. May I repeat my disclaimer? That we professional corporate trainers and speakers, when we crack a joke, it's meant for intelligent people. So you know what that means. Meron pong tinatawag na late response, pwede pong humabol. Ayun, matatalino naman pala lahat ng invite ng Ariva, no? You guys, look for the right people. Okay, next, conditions. Ano ulit yung conditions kung nakikinig kayo sa akin? Yes, it's the environment you're working in. Naniniwala ba kayo na kahit magaling ang isang empleyado, na kahit meron siyang puso, hindi siya nagtatagal sa isang kumpanya na merong not ideal or bad na working environment. Do you agree? And when I say working environment, I'm not just talking about the physical characteristics of the office. Like, malamig sa opisina, ang ganda-ganda, no, may swimming pool sa loob. Right? Habang nagtatrabaho kami, taga-masahe sa balikat. Tapos sa ilalim ng lamesa, may spa. No? Tapos, if you're gonna move from one department to another, don't need to walk kasi may escalator. Yung gumagano, no? Hi, HR! I'm not just talking about the physical traits of the office. No? When I say conditions, I'm also talking about the following. If the environment is conducive to employee development. Who among you can confidently tell me, Sir, ang company namin, napaka-supportive when it comes to growth and development. Taas ang kamay. Kasama niyo po ba mga boss niya? Okay, kaya naman pala. Hindi kasama. Pero pag kasama ang boss, malamang lahat dito nakataas ang kamay. Okay, by the way, this call is videotaped and audio recorded, courtesy of Ariva, and the recordings will be sent directly to your boss. Patay kayo ngayon. Alright. Next, kailangan daw fair, appreciative, and supportive ang management. Sino dito ang kasama ang boss? Taas ang kamay. Huwag kayong mag-alala. This is nothing bad. May I know who your boss is? Ah, very supportive. Dito ang empleyado, doon siya sa likod. Alright. He or she. I see. Ayun. Fair, appreciative, and supportive management. Guys, yung mga nandito ang direct reports nyo, tapos nandito rin yung kanilang mga immediate superiors. Pwede ba palakpakan natin yung mga kamay nila? Bakit? The mere fact you're here, that means you're supportive, correct? Or just because you were required to? Required. Last but not least, ayan, ito na yung physical characteristics ng office place. Attractive, clean, and convenient. Di ba ang sarap-sarap bumalik sa trabaho? No? Yan yung isa sa mga, or tatlo sa mga bagay na nakakapagpabalik sa atin sa trabaho every single day. Alam mo yun? Alam nyo, this has nothing to do with our topic. We're talking about excellent customer service over the phone. Pero pumasok sa isip ko, kaya kailangan ko itong ilabas. Ha? Kalimutan ko. Alright, alam nyo, we have to be very positive at work. Even though the people we hate, the things we don't want to see, are there. Alam mo sa mga tips ko para kayo hindi na i-stress sa trabaho? Alam ba, meron kayong mga ayaw makita. Kapag kayo ay pumasok sa trabaho, kailangan good vibes. Very positive. Hi! Greet sa mga katrabaho. Pag nakita yung ayaw, parang bola tumatalbog. Uy, ayaw ko rin dito. Hi! Ganun dapat to. Iwasan ang mga cause ng stress o negative vibes. Very good. Next! Diba sabi ko, concern? Ano kaya yung concern na yan? External eh. Una-una, hindi ba nakaka-apekto sa inyo? Nakaka-apekto ba yan kung paano kayo makipag-deal with your customers? And even your clients? In-house,